Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. The monitoring bench took the view that on the basis of the order passed by the Supreme Court, it was required to oversee and control the investigation, and once the investigation in a case was over, that case went beyond its purview and into the realm of trial. Stop. The issue of transfer of cases in which investigations were completed, charge sheets were submitted, and orders of cognizance were passed by the trial court were thus not the subject matter of consideration by the monitoring bench, and the issue of their transfer to the court in Jharkhand would abide by the decision by this full bench. Stop. The monitoring bench would only consider which of the cases still under investigation it would continue to monitor, and which of the cases still under investigation it would stop monitoring. Stop. The accused felt that an order by the monitoring bench that it would stop monitoring certain cases in practical terms would amount to transfer of those cases to Jharkhand, and it was perhaps contended that on their behalf that all the 52 cases of which a list was submitted by the CBI, whether under investigation or whether at the stage of trial, should be considered on the issue of their transfer to Jharkhand in one package, and at the same time. Stop. On 7/2/2001, the monitoring bench passed the order on the question as to the cases which it would continue to monitor and the cases which it would not monitor any longer. Stop. A copy of that order was produced before this full bench in course of hearing of this reference. Stop. In that order, the monitoring bench divided the cases into two categories: one in which the investigation was still incomplete and charge sheet was not submitted, and the other in which investigation was over and charge sheet was submitted. Stop. The monitoring bench held that investigation of an offence was not a proceeding within the meaning of Section 89(1) of the Act, and therefore the cases in the first category were not covered by Section 89(1) of the Act, and it was cases only in the second category which were covered by Section 89(1) of the Act, and the issue of transfer of those cases will abide by the decision of this full bench. Stop. In that regard, on the monitoring bench went to clarify. Full stop. Over.